Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use Apple's new Journal app on iOS 18. First, open the Journal app on your iPhone. Now tap the plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen. This will allow you to start a new journal entry. Next, you will notice some private suggestions based on your activity. These are tailored to help you reflect on recent moments. Now tap on New Entry to create a fresh entry. Tap on the image icon, which will allow you to add photos to your journal. You can select one or multiple images from your photo library, depending on what you want to include. After selecting the image or images, you will be prompted to enter a title that reflects the content of the images. This helps you organize your entries. Below the title box, there's another area where you can type anything related to the image. You can write down your thoughts, memories, or even a short story about the picture. As you're typing, you might notice additional features on your keyboard, such as adding location, mood, or other elements. You can include these to make your entry more detailed. Once you've finished writing, tap Done to save your entry. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This opens up a menu with various options for managing your journal. From this menu, tap on Log Journal. You will be asked to enter your iPhone passcode to secure your journal entries. Once the passcode is entered, toggle on the option to lock your journal, ensuring your entries are private. Now go back to the main journal screen and tap the plus icon again to create another entry. This time, tap on Recent, where you can quickly find your most recent activities or suggestions to add to your journal. Now, you're ready to use Apple's new Journal app to capture your thoughts and memories with ease. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.